Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see blocked contacts on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to see all blocked contacts on iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now scroll down until you get to the phone app on your iPhone apps page. So just keep scrolling and click on phone. Then scroll down the phone page and then locate and click on blocked contacts. Then you see all your blocked contacts here. To unblock them, click on the edit button at top right. Then remove the contact from the list. Click on done, click on this again, edit, remove the contact from the list, remove it again, and then click on the check mark. And then that is it. So that's exactly how to see blocked contact on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.